Oh, what up, babies? It's your boy, JD. That's a good intro. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's JD. Welcome to something new, something different, something to get your brain moving around in your head. Hey, so what's going on? Before we get started, I want to shout out Darius Davis on YouTube for leaving a cool comment that said, bro, I need 3 episodes a day. And that is for the Mortal Kombat playthrough. You guys enjoying it? Let me know if you are in the comments down below. Leave a like, let us share. Let me put a poll up in the corner and see if you are enjoying it. If you want 3 episodes a day, I could maybe do that. I mean, there's only 9 chapters in the game and we're already 2 done, and I think we got some coming out today. So with that being said, be on the lookout. Also, those might be premiere videos, so you might want to be on time for the premiere. Who knows? All right, with that, let's continue. Okay, everybody, so today's video is an unboxing. I have got something fancy here, everyone. No, shout out to my friends at Astro Gaming for hooking me up with this beast, which is their new C-40 controller, tournament ready controller. All right, so this is gonna be an unboxing. I'm gonna take it out of the box and show it to you and talk to you a little bit about it. Yeah, all right, let's start. Here we go. So first things first, how do I open the box? All right. Or is it like, oh, here we, all right, so the box opens like this. You slide that bad boy off right there, and there's the top of the box. There's the box that, well, this is the outer box, but people like to see these things. So outer box, corners, a little D-pad over there, some stuff on the back. It says the C-40 _TR_ controller, launch kit, confidential contents, Astro Gaming, SFCA. Okay. All right, so this is what it looks like. Or not this, but oh, this is a good unboxing. Hold on, it says, let's read the packaging. So I open it and it says, welcome to C-40 TR. Thank you for supporting Astro Gaming. Before you use the C-40 TR, please install the software found on the included USB drive on a Windows 10 PC. Follow the directions to update the C-40 TR firmware. If you encounter any issues, please let us know at support. Okay, that's cool. They left like a little sticky note inside the box, which is very cool. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. Let me see if I can show it to you. If I can get the box to do what I want it to do. Okay, so this is what this is what is a bad unboxing. I'm trying. Ow, my fingers. Ow, my little fingers. Okay, this is what the box. There you go. All right, so that's like a little thing. What do you call it? Like a blueprint of what the controller looks like, and it's inside the box. So this is just cool. Why did I have to? I don't know why I lifted up the whole thing, but there. See that? That's fancy, man. That's pretty fancy. I like that. Okay, cool. We're putting that away. The box that I read that little special message was right here. So. Special message. Okay, and then it says lift to remove contents below. It's another thing. All right, and this. Oh, hold on. Let's see what's in the bottom of the box before we get to. We're gonna see what's in the bottom of this box. It says open on the bottom, so let's see what this is. Oh man! It came with all the legit things. We got the D-pad pack and the pack Croy directional. A USB. It came with you. Wow! Shout out to Astro. This is very intricate. This is cool. All right, so this is everything that's inside the box. Opened one side. Opening another side now, and this has medium stick 4-pack, tall stick 4-pack. These are These are these are, what do you call it? Joysticks. Directional sticks. Is that what they're called? You know what it is. There they are. But there's a medium and a large version that you can swap out for your what are those called, dude? They're not the D-pad. It's the joystick. That's what I think it's called. Oh man, I don't know. Do I know anything about video games? What is this channel? And then there's one last. Oh, mama. Okay. Last little bonus piece is this awesome faceplate that comes with it. That's like reddish. Ooh, that's gonna be nice. Okay. All right. So we opened up the box. I did something right? Yeah. Don't. Okay. All right. Cool. Sorry, too close to the mic. Let me. Now, last but not least, the controller itself, everyone. Yes, the Astro C-40 for PS4 and PC. On the back, it says a bunch of stuff. It says replaceable caps, swappable replaceable modules, remappable rear buttons, 2.4 gigahertz USB wireless transmitter, parallel offset rear buttons. Comes with software, integrated remappable buttons, trigger stops, wireless audio, 12 hours of battery life, includes a travel case. Fancy. That is, that's very fancy. I don't think I've ever had a controller. I don't think I've ever had a controller this fancy. So yeah, this was the box. That's the front, side, back. Okay, cool. This is the packaging. And here we go. Get some nice unboxing stuff for. Oh, okay. Comes with a lot of documents that probably tell you how to set it up and all that. It says, these are just instruction manuals. You guys, we know. All right, cool. I'm gonna put those to the side, and then gonna finally take out the controller out of the package. Yeah, here we go. Cool. All right. Opening it up. Wow, that's a good looking controller, if I do say so myself. All right, so let's get a feel for this. Ooh, it's a thick boy. All right, it's thick, it's heavy. I like it. Man, that thing is nice though. It's smooth. I like the Joy-Cons. What do they call these? They don't call them Joy-Cons. Gosh, the right analog sticks. I figured it out. Yeah, I could not remember. Okay, so wow, the analog sticks are pretty legit, and the buttons, they feel good. I have to set this up. This might be my main controller to play certain games with. I don't know, but if you can see it, the front is very, very beautiful, crispy. I love the red accent colors and all that stuff. And then the side looks a little bit like this. Sorry if my hands are a little shaky. You got the back bumpers over there, which look crispity crunchity. You got the top, the R1, L1, L2, and R3, R2, what? R3, that's the analog sticks. But yeah, I mean, that's it. Oh, there's also here we go. Inside the packaging comes with, you can't really see it inside. It's a little far, but my lighting is pretty bad. So you can see there's like the Astro, well, I don't know what you call this, like a little screwdriver, so you can switch out things. Some extra buttons. It looks like a place to put your D-pad and all that. And then a USB stick, which is probably what you need to use to upload the newest firmware. And then it comes with what's this? A USB to USB mini, I think. You guys know what that is, right? Yeah. And that is pretty much the whole unboxing. If you guys give me a second, I'll try to customize it real quick and put some of the different accents on it and show it to you. Be right back. Alright everybody, so I swapped out the faceplate on this bad boy, and now look at it. Ooh, that is sick. Uh-oh, I thought I had something on there. But man, that thing is super clean. I cannot wait to play with this. So let me know what you think down in the comments if this is a pretty legit controller. I need to test it out. I need to see how it works, see how it communicates with my console and also with my PC. And yeah, wow. Okay, this might be my new go-to controller. Cool. Thanks again to Astro Gaming for hooking me up with this. And if you want to see more videos like this, you know what to do. Hit that like button, share, links in the description below, subscribe, check out those videos over there on the left. And I will catch you all on the next one. All right, see you next time. Peace.